So hello and welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how you can go to another activity on a button click using Java in Android Studio. Before starting this video, I would like to request you please go and subscribe to my channel and like this video. So in order to do that, you have to just create a new project. I have already created a new project. Then you have to go and follow the simple step and create a new activity, guys. You can name it anything. I have given it name activity main2.java and activity main2.xml. Let's go to activity main.xml, the main file which will be open as a splash screen. So let's go to design. Let's delete the hello world text view, which is randomly generated. Then we have to just simply drag a text view and a button to show, like, to explain you in which part we are in, like which activity we are. So let's constrain it and let's give it, and let me launch my virtual device also inside, and let's give it a name activity1 and activity1, and let's give it a gravity of center and a size like 24. Let's give it a gravity. Then let's give it a gravity of center. Okay, center gravity has been given. Then let's drag a button. You can manually code it also. In order to fast forward the process, I am just dragging and dropping. And let's change the text to go to activity number 2. You can give it anything you want. It's just a random thing I am writing. So let's go and do the same to the second activity also. Let me constrain it again. Constrain to the top and constrain to the bottom, and then we will go to. So guys, the second activity. In the next activity, another activity, I'm going to code manually. So you can also see how to code manually if you are a beginner. So let's start. So open bracket, text view, then hit enter. Let's write open bracket, text view, enter, wrap content, then close the bracket. Then let's give it an id dot text view. Then let's give it a text and color. Let's give it gravity of center. Then let's give it the text activity 2. Then let's give it a size, and let's just constrain it by drag and dropping. So now our code is working. So let's give it size of like 24 dp or 18 dp, 24 dp. Let's go. Then let's just simply constrain it so our code is not with errors and it's error free. So all the errors has been gone. Now let's get a button. Let's get a button there. Button, wrap content. Let's go and give it a id of button1. Then in the next step we will going to give it the text activity number 2. So let's give it a text activity number 2. Then another line we will go give it a gravity of center. Then let's go and constrain it in the drag drop menu or design menu, as you call it. Let's give it a text size of 14 dp or 18 dp, as you wish, guys. So let's drag it here. Let's constrain it so our code is error free. And now our XML part is over. Let's go to our Java file and let's code some Java, guys, because Java is very good. I hope you are enjoying the video. Let's go and initialize the variables. text view equals to new text view. I just simply give it the name of the ID. Then button equals to button. Let's check the what is the ID here. Button, small b button, BUTTO, and then let's import it. Alt plus enter for simply importing it. Then let's find view by ID. Text view equals to find view by ID. r.id dot find text view and semicolon. Then button equals to find view by ID for the same. Then we will set and set on click listener on the button, and I will show you how you can do the simple step. So let's go and write button dot set on click listener, then new on click listener, then a new method will be opened. Then I will show you what you have to do. So let's write intent equals to intent I equals to, you can give any variable here, equals to new intent. Then you have to give the class name, like which class you are now. Main activity dot this is the guys a variable which is used to show indicate which class you are. Then you have to place comma, then you have to give the name of the activity whichever you want to go after the click of the button. Then you have to start activity simply. Let's copy it and paste in the activity number 2 so you can come back to activity 2 to activity 1. Let's initialize the variable here. Then I will give button equals to new button. Its ID is button 6, I guess. Oh, button 1. Okay, button 1. Then let's go and find view by ID. Then find view by ID here. Let's paste it here. Then let's change the ID to button 1. Then here button 1, and let's change it to main activity 2 and main activity on the class side. So your code is ready, guys. You can compile it and it will run flawlessly. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. Subscribe, share this video.